GLE ML instrument installation tutorial. Remove the air vent panel. Remove the baffle under the steering wheel. Unscrew the two screws of the instrument. Remove the original instrument. Unplug the instrument connector. Unscrew the instrument fixing screws. Open the original instrument shell. Fasten the LCD instrument plug. Close the original instrument back cover. Tighten the four fixing screws of the instrument. Connect the wires. Secure the instrument plug. Fasten the LCD instrument. Tighten the instrument fixing screws. Fasten the shield under the steering wheel. Fasten the decorative panel and the air conditioning panel.